I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather tools first. A 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, trim tool, work light, gloves, and the correct replacement cabin air filter for your Ram 3500 model year. Locate access by opening the passenger glove box. Many model years drop the glove box or remove a lower kick panel to reveal the HVAC housing. If airbags or wiring are nearby, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 1 minute to reduce risk. Keep a clean towel and a trash bag to catch debris while you work. Lower the glove box by squeezing the side tabs or removing 2 plastic pins with a flat screwdriver so it drops free. Some years require removing a single 10 mm bolt on the glove box damper. Reach into the HVAC housing, depress the retention clips, and slide the old cabin filter straight out, noting the airflow arrow printed on the filter frame. Inspect the housing and evaporator area. Use a handheld vacuum to remove leaves and dust and wipe with a clean, damp cloth before fitting the new filter. Fit the new cabin air filter into the HVAC slot with the airflow arrow pointing toward the HVAC unit. Press it fully under the retaining clips so it seals evenly. Reinstall the glove box stops, pins, or the single 10 mm damper bolt you removed and reattach any trim panels. If you disconnected the negative battery earlier, reconnect it now. Note the date and mileage of replacement. Recommended intervals are generally 12,000 to 15,000 miles or 12 months depending on driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.